Hello to everybody. Today in this video I'm going to show you how I play something else. Today I will not to play Balkan music. Today I'm playing something else, like I said. Here we go. Let's go start. It's finished. I hope you like this. If you like this, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget. See you next time in some another video. And goodbye.